Hello, Alda. Come and sit down.
Alda's next visit to the doctor is said to leave her with a nasty pain in the hip pocket.
I usually come in and get my blood pressure checked regularly, so I guess I'll have to come a lot less.
From this Monday, she'll have to fork out an extra $20 for short consultations. Currently, a visit to the doctor that lasts less than 10 minutes attracts a Medicare rebate of $37. But from next week, that will be cut to just $16.95, meaning patients will have to pay an extra $20 unless their doctor bulk bills.
The impact is going to be on the people without disposable income, the poor people, the people with mental disorders.
Doctors who do bulk bill will have to wear the cost themselves.
Bulk billing practices will not be viable with this change and will likely have to change their charging.
That could mean higher costs for all patients.
It starts to introduce far more user pays into our system, and that, at the end of the day, undermines the principles of Medicare.
The changes were part of the government's backdown on its unpopular $7 GP co-payment. The Health Minister says the aim of cutting benefits for shorter visits is to discourage doctors from rushing treatment, so-called 6-minute medicine. The Senate can disallow these changes, but because the Parliament doesn't sit until next month, nothing can stop the new system coming into place on Monday. Labor's yet to decide whether it will vote to kill off the changes. Now, it appears the AMA has changed its tune on this one. They had previously argued against 6-minute medicine. Now, with these changes, they say that is enough time to provide quality health care.